AZ Solutions brings you Clear Format feature in Excel. When you're typing in Excel, and if you have a date, for example, control and semicolon will give you the current date. If you want to delete, you press the delete key, it removes the date. However, when you go and type in any other number, it will assume that that number is in fact a date and it translates it for you. What you might want to do is select the cell. In the Home tab under the Clear drop-down arrow, you can choose to clear the format. Now when you clear the format, the formatting is removed and you're left with the raw figure that was in there. Let's have another go. If we do a date and we also format the date with colour, size, so forth, what you might want is to retain the number that was entered in there. So if I hit delete, you think all the formatting has gone with it, but once you type in a number again, the numbering is converted to a date. Let's select that again, and if we choose clear format, all of the formatting goes, including the colour. What you may have is a cell which has a date in there or information in there, formatted as a date, and colour. But when you hit delete and start typing, the colour remains. What you're trying to do is remove absolutely everything that's in that cell. What you'll then want to do is select clear, but choose clear all. This will do two things. It will clear the formatting as well as the content. So now when I type in some content, the content remains. Clear format and clear content. These are the two most common ones that you would want to be using. Thank you for listening, and if you need further assistance, please feel free to visit our website at www.azsolutions.com.au or drop us a line at info@azsolutions.com.au. Thank you for listening. Hope it was helpful.